how to use Slack for business communication. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Slack.com for your communication and flexibility. So let's get started. Slack.com is a communication tool that allows you to create your own workspace where you can create your own servers and then you will be able to connect your team, organize them, save your time, and get more productive. What you have to do is simply go to slack.com and you will land on this platform right here. Today I will show you how you can simply, sign up for Slack, get your own workspace, and how you can simply use Slack. If we talk about the products we get on Slack, we will be getting channels, digital HQ, integrations, and we also have a Slack Connect that allows you to connect your Slack to different platforms. If we talk about the main features we are going to be discussing in Slack and the features that we get, then we have channels, Slack Connect, messaging, huddles and clips, and then accessibility. So you will be able to create your own channels and then create your own workflow. We also get apps and integrations such as Google Drive, Office 365, and over 2,000 integrations are available for us to customize our Slack experience. How to get started? You will simply click right here on Get Started, and you will be able to sign up for Slack with your Google account or your email address. Simply type in your email and then you can continue. You can also sign up with your Apple. So I'm going to go ahead and simply log into my Slack. So once you sign up for Slack, then you will be able to access all of the features on Slack. It's very easy. And if you already know Discord, then it's very similar to Discord, but we can use Discord for our personal use and, to build our community. But Slack is used for business more. So if you're looking to for a communication tool for your business, then Slack is the right option for you. This is one of the channels, the workspaces that I have already created. Once you create a workspace, then you can create channels. Then you can also add a direct message with your team members. So I'm going to actually show you how to create a workspace, and I will be able to show you from the scratch then how to create a workspace, how to create channels in that workspace. So to create a new workspace, what you have to do is you will find the option right here, add workspace. We have other options such as invite people, create a channel, preferences, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and go to add workspace, and then we have sign into another workspace or create a new workspace. So I'm going to click on create a new workspace, and then you have to log in again. So I'm going to enter my email address. So you simply enter your email address and then they will actually send you a code. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and get my code and enter it right here for verification. Once you sign in to your workspace, then you simply have to give your workspace a name. So you can give any name. I'm going to call my workspace the video production, and I'm going to click on save. So this is my workspace that I got, and you can see right here, this is like the default workspace that you will get. This is my new message option, and I can type in a message right here. Then we have our browse Slack option that allows me to browse my Slack, such as getting to all my DMs, mentions and reactions, saved items, Slack Connect. Then we have channel browser, file browser, people and user groups, and then we have apps right here. Then we have our channels. So these are the channels that I'm getting, a general. Then we have a random. Then we have add channel option. So I'm going to click right here on add channel, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new channel. You can also browse different channels if you want to. So you simply type in your name right here, like whatever channel you want to create. So this is like for our business, and I am actually creating a server for my video production. So I already have a general, and then I have, YouTube videos. So I'm going to create an announcement, okay? So this is going to be the name for my channel that I'm creating. You can go ahead and add description right here. And then we have, if you want to make it private, then you can simply go ahead and make it private as well. But I'm not going to make it private. I'm just making it for everyone. So I'm going to keep it like that. And I'm going to click on create. Once you click on create, a new channel is created. And then you can simply enter an email address to add people to your channel that you have created. So I'm going to skip for now. So this is the channel that I have now. You can see I can send a text here. There you go. And there is also a join message right here. I can send direct messages as well. You simply click right here, you type in their name or their email address, and you will be able to, send them a direct message. What else we can do on Slack? So let's go to general right here. So this is my journal like server. I can add a bookmark if I want to, or I can create a folder and organize my bookmarks as well. Then if we click right here, then we get all of our channel settings. I can add members. I will be able to check all of the members of this channel right here. Then we have integrations that we can add. So I can go ahead and add different integrations to my this channel right here. I will actually show you about integrations just in a minute. Then we have about, and in about I can change the name, topic, description, and all the files that we have uploaded in this channel right here. So with communication, we're also getting a project management with our Slack, and it really helps us to kind of like organize our team. Now, if we go to settings, then I will be able to show you that we can do different settings. And in here, we actually find our permissions. So if I go to edit, I will be able to edit the permission. So the permission is who can post in this channel. Let's say that I'm going to go for announcements actually. Let's go to announcement channel, and I'm gonna again click right here and go to settings. And in settings, I'm gonna go ahead and edit the permission right here. Who can post in this channel, and you can change like to everyone except guest, and admins only, or admin or plus specific people. So you can simply go ahead and select admin only, and then only you will be able to send messages in a particular channel. So this is how we simply edit our permissions. This is like a quick way to write a message. You simply select a channel. Let's go with random, and you simply type in a message, and that message is sent to that channel. So this is like a quick way to send a message. And then I will simply go ahead and go to integrations now. When it comes to integration, we can upgrade to workflow or go to apps right here. If you want to add an app, then you will simply click right here. Then we can view the app directory as well. You can simply search by name. Let's say that I want to add Zoom to my Slack. You will simply select for Zoom, and you will find all of the options right here. Let's say that I want to connect my ClickUp to my Slack. So I'm going to click on ClickUp. There you go. When it comes to Slack, it's really famous for its integrations. You will be able to find any integration that is available out there. Any app, you can simply add it right here. Like we can add our Gmail, we can add our maybe HubSpot. So you can like add any app to your Slack, and it really helps you organize your workspace. This is super easy. And after that, you can simply go to your more settings. If you want to, you can simply go to tools. You will find your workflow builder and analytics right here. And then we have preferences, we have settings, administration right here. So let's go to settings and in administration really quickly. So in here, we will find workspace settings. We have manage members and manage apps. So let's go to manage members, and let me show you how you can manage members in a channel that you have created. So now we have this channel right here. So it has like opened it up in a new window for me, because now we will be doing the managing. So I can export a member list from my Sheets or any other application. Click right here and add as many emails as you want to right here, or you can also copy an invite link and you can send it to all of your users, your subscribers, or maybe your team members. So you will simply go ahead and copy it and send it to your members, and you will be able to add different members to your channel right here that you have created. You want to upgrade your Slack, and then you can simply add different apps as I showed you, and then you will be able to customize your Slack experience, because now you know how to use Slack, and everything, every setting, where to find the apps, how to create a channel, how to create a workspace, how to change the preferences, and how you can simply add an integration. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know how to use Slack, a communication tool. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.